Accident Assist is our hassle-free accident claim service available to all our members. If you have a car accident, simply call the AA first before your insurer and we'll take care of everything for you. This includes recovery, repair, a courtesy or hire car until yours is repaired, personal injury support, and talking to insurers on your behalf. There's no hassle or claims forms, and it's all sorted as part of your membership at no additional cost. It doesn't matter whether you're still at the side of the road, or if you've been able to drive home, or which company insures you. We won't charge you an excess if the accident wasn't your fault. Your car will get the highest quality repair at your nearest AA-approved repairer, who uses the latest tech and fits vehicle manufacturer genuine parts. You'll also get total peace of mind with our lifetime repair guarantee. With Accident Assist, we'll take care of everything. Call the AA first after an accident on 0800 048 2678.